Ever wonder which keywords a website is using to bring in search traffic? Well, the keywords page makes this really easy to discover. Let's check it out. You can get to it from competitive analysis, entering a website, then navigating to the keywords page in the left sidebar. When you land on the keywords page, you'll notice an amazing array of useful filters up top and a big table below of all the actual keywords that fit within that criteria. Let's start with the filters. Why are these so useful? Well, most of the time you'll be doing keyword research around a certain subset of keywords, like what are the best non-branded organic keywords that our competitor is getting traffic from, or what are the paid keywords including the term gift card that drive the most traffic. These filters let you answer almost any type of keyword research question you can imagine. What I'm seeing now is the list of all the keywords driving traffic to target.com, but check out the filters. Organic or paid, so you can focus either on SEO or PPC or both. Branded terms, non-branded terms, or both. Which search engine I want to look at. Search type, regular, shopping, image search, etc. You can even try searching for high volume, low CPC keywords for the best paid opportunities. The SERP features being shown if you want to focus on SERP features like video, recipe, news, etc. By topic, which bubble up these keywords into topics. Or I can even add competitors to find opportunities where my competitors are getting traffic from keywords and I'm not. Also newly discovered, great for finding keywords that drive traffic before your competitors do. Trending terms, those with significant rise in traffic, over 50% in the last month. And question queries, keywords starting with who, what, when, where, why. And the last type of filter allows you to even include or exclude terms within the keywords or their associated URL. So let's say you owned a baby clothing and accessory e-commerce store. You could focus on keywords containing the word baby, just type it in and choose include keywords containing. And it also might make sense to pick non-branded as an additional filter here, because if someone's searching Target baby crib, their search intent is probably to buy something from Target, less relevant to your e-commerce store. Sorting by percentage change, I can see a lot of these are growing a ton month on month. I can also see the search volume, CPC, organic versus paid split, rank position, SERP features showing for this keyword, and the associated URL. All very useful information to help me understand if this keyword is worth pursuing. I can also add more websites if I want. Here I see that same criteria we just picked applied not just to Target now, but also to Walmart and Bed Bath & Beyond, including their traffic share for these keywords. Once you find keywords of interest, you can select them and add them to a list. Or you can analyze a keyword right away by clicking on it, leading to the keyword overview page, where you can find even more information about it, like traffic share, top competitors, top countries, and more. I hope you enjoy discovering and benchmarking the keywords that are driving traffic to your competitors. And I should note that we have a full suite of tools designed for finding keyword ideas, which you should definitely check out next. Enjoy.